Your Amazon product listing costing you sales? Let Helium 10's listing analyzer tell you why. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you every tool that Helium 10 offers. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. My goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So we're going over Helium 10 in today's video, and Helium 10 is one of the best Amazon tools in the game, right? So they also have a free trial, and that's what makes them awesome. So you can sign up for free on Helium 10. There's also a link in the description if you need that, but we're going to go over their listing analyzer, and here it is right here. So you're just going to click on that, and then you can click on your listing or even your competitors and look at that. So let's go and let's pick a listing. So we're going to pick this female enhancement libido booster. Here's the ASIN. We're going to copy that ASIN. We're going to go back here and we're going to put that ASIN in and run the analysis. And then we're going to see what Helium 10 says to improve the product. How's it doing? Right off the bat, it took around 20 seconds, but it gives us a listing quality score of 7.5, which already shows us that there is improvements to our listing that we could do. Stock, the review count, how long it's been on Amazon. It's been on Amazon for 58 months. It's quite some time. And we can also see how many sales they're making per day. Last 7 days, they made about 7,000 in sales. Now we can also see the spike in sales. So we can see the values right here, the sales summary, the spike in sales. Let's see if we can go back last 60 days. I wonder if we can go back farther. Nothing super consistent. Can we go back even further? Let's see if we can go back. Oop. I wonder how far we can go back to October. All right, so they had a big spike in January. So then we can kind of see, is the big spike for this type of product happening in January? So you can see when our product's supposed to spike, when our sales is supposed to spike, when should you have more inventory at Amazon, and you can kind of look at the data and go from there. It's also showing the category and subcategory bestseller rank, BSR, bestseller rank. It explains what that is. You can look at that. It's showing your, again, your seller region, category, price, ASIN, and all that good stuff. If they have a coupon on, which they don't, the weight of the product. You can also customize these categories as well. And now here is the juicy stuff, what we can do to improve the listing. So, and it's just basic right now. It doesn't have a video. I'm going to double check. Does it have a video? It's saying it doesn't. I'm kind of surprised that this product doesn't have a video. They only have 4 images. What are they doing? I'm surprised they're making so much sales. That's just because there's not that many competitors in this niche due to NSF verification and certification for these type of products, right? But anyway, they don't have videos. They don't have 7 images. They could be doing so much better. Their first image kind of, it's just so plain. I mean, it's solid, but this one's not even optimized. You can't even zoom in on this. So a lot of listing modifications they should be making. The 150 characters in each bullet point. If you look at their bullet points, I guess this one's too short. The bullet points aren't too bad. It's just that some of them are too short. So there's a lot of opportunity for more keywords in their bullet points to help them increase sales, right? They do have subscribe and save, right? It's non-returnable, cool stuff. But you can kind of just look at that data right away and see. Now, if you're selling a lot of listings or if you have a product yourself, this is a great way just to see, okay, what can I do to improve my product? Sometimes there's things that you don't see, like, oops, I forgot this one doesn't have a video, or, oh my gosh, I don't have 7 images. What am I doing? Things like that. That's going to help you generate more sales. Not only this, one of the best parts about this tool is you can actually see what keywords they're ranking for. And if you do have Cerebro, which is another Helium 10 tool, you can see what keywords they're ranking for and what is the biggest keywords. So you can try to rank for these keywords as well. Put them in your title, your bullet points, your back end. If it's a trademark keyword, you can run Amazon ads towards it and then start ranking for them. So these are some of their best keywords that they're ranking for. And this brings me to my next thing, is if you are analyzing top competitors. So let's say this is our product and one of our top competitors is this one, a grass-fed liver supplement. I'm going to copy that. And let's say this is our competitor now. We're going to put our competitor's ASIN. And we can see, is our competitor ASIN better than us? What keywords are they ranking that we're not ranking for? And this is where the listing analyzer comes in. You can see that their sales are much, much higher than ours. But we're going to scroll down while it's loading. And you can see that also their listing quality score is better than ours, right? So we can also look at their listing. Why is their listing better than us? Which kind of helps determine why is their listing generating more sales. And then you can also see that they're ranking for so much more keywords than we are. Why aren't we utilizing some of these keywords, trying to generate sales? Ancestral supplements, I believe that's their trademark. So we can't put this in our title, but we can run ads against this. So we can put this in a campaign, run ads, and show up for this, which will help us rank for that keyword. Especially if we're showing up number 2, there's a potential where we could take some of their customers and our price is way better. Some customers might be like, this is, too expensive. I'm going to go for the cheaper one, even if it doesn't have as good reviews. So kind of going through there. Deer antler, organ supplement. Does ours have organs in it? Grass-fed, is ours grass-fed? Things that you could try to rank for. All in all, it's a great and simple tool to help you track your competition and also your own products to make sure your products are actually optimized, because sometimes we need a second look. Now, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you all of the tools that Helium 10 does offer very quickly. And the first one is product research. So this one's called Black Box, and Helium 10 has so many tools. They have around 20 tools. So again, answer these questions to find a product. So it actually helps you. I need this, I need something that's an appliance and it needs some improvement where competition is low, and I want to sell my product for this and a monthly revenue of this, and you click search and then it helps you find different types of products. Now we have a product launch pad, which is utilizing AI to plan and validate product ideas. That one's new. Haven't used that one yet. Got to try that out. New list. Now they have keyword research, Cerebro, which is one of the best tools. Not only do they have this for Amazon, but they have it for Walmart too. Magnet, keyword research again for Amazon and Walmart. Again, you save a list. This is like a little list you can save. Marketing for, so it's Amazon, pretty much management of your ads for Amazon and Walmart. It uses AI, Amazon attribution, off Amazon advertising analysis to see how that does. Listing optimization, extremely important tools. Frankenstein, use this. Scribbles, use that. Listing analyzer, went through that today. Again, more AI tools. They have a little thing that shows AI. And then they have a lot of learning. So they have a Freedom Ticket, Amazon Influencer Bootcamp, Learning Hub, PPC Academy, Exit Ticket if you wanted to sell your business at some point, Knowledge Base, and Academy as well. Tons of learning opportunities if you are into Helium 10 or selling on Amazon. Analytics, keyword tracker, not only for Amazon, but also for Walmart. Market Tracker 360, which is, it looks like it's new and improved. I don't know why they have both. They should probably remove one, but hey, all good. Profits, Profit Plus, will profit for Walmart and Amazon to determine how much profit you're making. Operations is managed refund. So if Amazon's losing your inventory, you can get refunds. Alerts for hijackers or people trying to take your sales. Refund Genie, follow-ups, and then inventory management as well. So a lot of different good tools here. And the great part about Helium 10 again is it does have a free trial. If you want to get a discount for Helium 10, just go into our description and we have a little URL that gives you a discount if you did sign up. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're already an Amazon seller, I highly recommend that you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with anything Amazon, we're Amazon experts. You can contact us at ehpconsultinggroup.com. Link right in the description for more. And our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account service, where we'll come in, we'll manage your entire account, your advertising, your SEO, and making sure we create a face plan to increase your sales every day. We'll even deal with all of the BS of calling Amazon, fixing your listings, making sure your account doesn't get suspended, all of that, so you can focus on being a boss and working on your business instead of calling Amazon every single day. You can be managing it. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com in the description for more. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.